Ever felt like your business was bleeding money? Not because you weren't working hard, but because you were working inefficiently? Like chasing invoices, juggling schedules, and trying to remember if you quoted Mrs. Henderson for the gutters or the landscaping. Yeah, me too. Or at least I've heard that story a million times from folks in the trades. And let's be honest, it's a story that resonates. Think about it. You're out there, boots on the ground, delivering quality work. You're a plumber, an electrician, a landscaper, a cleaner, a handyman, you're a professional. But all that back office stuff, the paperwork, the scheduling, the client communication, that's a whole other job. And if you're not organized, it's a job that can eat you alive. You know that feeling when you finally finish a tough job and you're ready to send out the invoice, but where's that notebook with the client's details? Or worse, you realize you forgot to track some materials and now you're eating the cost. Or even worse, you forgot to follow up on a quote and the customer went with someone else. That's the kind of inefficiency that keeps you up at night. That's the kind of inefficiency that steals your profit. And that's the kind of inefficiency that makes you wonder if there's a better way. Enter Jobber. Now, you've probably heard of Jobber. It's that software everyone in the trades seems to be talking about. The all-in-one solution that promises to streamline your operations, save you time, and ultimately, put more money in your pocket. But here's the million-dollar question, or rather, the how much per month question. Is it worth it? Let's dive in. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of pricing, let's understand what Jobber actually does. It's not just a fancy calendar or an invoice generator. It's a comprehensive platform designed to manage your entire workflow, from the initial client inquiry to the final payment. Think of it as your virtual office manager, your personal assistant, and your financial controller all rolled into one. It helps you with scheduling, drag-and-drop scheduling, route optimization, and team management, quoting and invoicing, professional quotes, instant invoicing, and online payment processing, client management, centralized client database, communication tracking, and automated reminders, job tracking, real-time job updates, time tracking and expense management, reporting and analytics, performance reports, financial insights, and business growth tracking. Mobile app. Access everything on the go, from your phone or tablet. In essence, Jobber aims to eliminate the chaos and bring order to your business. It allows you to focus on what you do best, your trade, while it handles the administrative burden. Okay, so we know what it does. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the cost. Jobber offers different pricing plans, each tailored to the needs of different-sized businesses. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. They understand that a solo operator has different requirements than a company with a dozen employees. Here's a breakdown of their typical pricing structure, but always remember to check Jobber's official website for the most up-to-date information, as prices can change. Connect Plan. This is typically the entry-level plan, designed for solo operators or very small teams. It includes essential features like scheduling, quoting, invoicing, and client management. It's a great starting point for those who are just beginning to digitize their operations. Grow Plan. This plan is geared towards growing businesses with a few employees. It builds upon the Connect Plan by adding features like automated reminders, online payments, and more advanced reporting. It's ideal for those who are looking to scale their operations and improve efficiency. Manage Plan. This is the most comprehensive plan, designed for larger businesses with multiple teams and complex workflows. It includes all the features of the Grow Plan, plus advanced features like GPS tracking, team dispatching, and custom reporting. It's perfect for businesses that need a robust solution to manage their growing operations. Now, let's talk about the actual costs. Instead of giving you exact numbers that might change, I'll explain the factors that influence the price and how to find them. Number of users. The price of Jobber is often based on the number of users you need. More users mean a higher price. Features. As mentioned earlier, each plan offers different features. The more features you need, the higher the price. Payment frequency. Jobber often offers discounts for annual subscriptions. So, if you're willing to commit for a year, you can save some money. To find the exact pricing for your specific needs, the best thing to do is visit the Jobber website. They have a detailed pricing page that allows you to compare plans and see the exact cost. They also often offer free trials so you can test the software before you commit. But here's the thing, don't just focus on the price tag. Think about the value you're getting in return. How much time are you currently wasting on manual tasks? How many missed opportunities are costing you money? How much stress are you dealing with because of disorganization? Jobber can help you save time, automate repetitive tasks, and streamline your workflow. Increase efficiency, optimize your scheduling and route planning. Improve cash flow. Get paid faster with online payments and automated invoices. Enhance customer satisfaction. Provide a seamless and professional experience. Grow your business. Gain valuable insights and make data-driven decisions. When you factor in these benefits, the cost of Jobber becomes an investment, not an expense. It's an investment in your time, your sanity, and your business's growth. Think of it this way. If Jobber helps you land just one extra job per month, or saves you a few hours of administrative work, it could easily pay for itself. And let's not forget the peace of mind. Knowing that your business is organized and running smoothly is priceless. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.